Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, March 5th, and I'm Andrew, and I don't have my video feed today, but I don't want to work anymore, so we're trading the NASDAQ. It is non-farm payroll on Friday, which means we have higher volatility in the market, and we're going to have lower profit objectives today, and we're going to try to use smaller stop losses. So we're going to go to regular trading hours. I want to know Tuesday's closing price, which is 20,482. We're going to put it on our chart, 20,482. Support resistance 482. Right about there. We'll make that guy orange. And I did not post a video yesterday because I got completely demolished in all this sideways action. Let me see. Let's look at yesterday's trading in the morning. This right here just cut me to pieces. You know, I didn't trade this fair value gap, but then I traded this one when it closed, and then it came right back up on me. And oh man, would I have been on the right side here if I just used the larger stop loss? No, I still would have got killed just because of the spread. So yeah, this right here killed me. And then I think I got a little bit of money in here, but either way, it was a bad trading day. The markets are open. Let's get after it. We're going to trade the first presented fair value gap. Maybe we'll wait till this low is swept and see how we behave. And I do have a Wilder's moving average on here. I am starting to test a new strategy about when it crosses over and on a 5-minute chart, and that'll be my entry. So we've been underneath it for a couple hours here, so we're just gonna wait. So let's see here. What was our opening price? This is still, yeah, this is our opening price right here. I always make that pink just for reference. So we're going to take one trade today. That's it. If my account will even let me. I think it cuts me off at 2,700. Then I have to add more money. But so far, no fair value gaps to speak of. Let's check last night's trading here. We'll turn on the ICT kill zones. It's just thinking about it right now. There it is. Okay. London high is 2630. 2630. Yeah, it's gonna be up here. Still no gaps. We're only almost 2 minutes in, or almost 3 minutes in. Our third candle is going to print now. Do have a little fair value gap in here at the moment anyway. And let's look at some of these major lows from yesterday. We could put this on here. 23.24. 23.24. 24 right there. So no sweep. What's our daily chart look like? I don't like how TradingView does that every single time I go to the daily. Oh, I do have this big gap here. I'm thinking we might still be able to come down in here in the next week. Who knows what Trump's gonna do? No action yet. Let's see how the stocks are doing. Albemarle's up. Baba's ripping. Comstock, or sorry, that's Cooper Standard, doing about nothing. Comstock is down 50 cents. Estee Lauder, let's go. K-Web, I think I sold K-Web, or I'm going to. No, I think I sold it yesterday. I did sell it yesterday, so I'm going to remove K-Web from my following list. Okay, watch list. And I don't have MicroStrategy, but I always want to know how it's going because MSTY is based on that. Still nothing to speak of over here. And Palantir, stuck in the mid 80s here. I'd like to add more to this one. PayPal, 80 cents, not bad. So yeah, guys, we're just holding tight here. Not going to get excited about anything until this low is swept. We've basically been consolidating in here, just going a little bit lower. Okay, we have swept a low. Now, do we act on this first fair value gap? I'm reluctant to do so, since I've been tracking the performance of trading off of the first fair value gap, and I think my average has probably gone down. I haven't updated in a couple days, but it was around 56%, I think. But after this week, who knows? Well, if I'm gonna act on this guy, I better do it soon. You know what? It's too far. 75 points for my stop loss. I am not interested. too much risk for me today. I will wait for it to turn around, or at least come back into this first one and reject off of it, or trade through it. But I have a feeling we're going to come back up here. So I'll get ready for a buy. Let's see here. 39. Like that. Yeah, we're gonna have a brand new 5-minute candle printing now. I feel like it's just gonna shoot back up here. Yeah, I'm looking for a reversal. But I'm going to be patient, and I want to trade back into here first, because this is super far extended. I'm also watching here on the 5-minute. So we've also come up about halfway inside this opening price and closing price. Look at that, we've hit the 50% almost bang on. Yep. So we'll see if we can push past this or not, or are we gonna just fill this gap a little bit and then continue lower for the rest of the day. What has Trump said in the news? That's what I need to be looking at. Downbeat jobs reading. Although it says tariffs on Canada and Mexico could ease by Wednesday. So is this guy gonna make up his mind ever? So I'll take a long, but only if we come down here. minute and a half. If we close above this while there's moving average, we can also look for a long. And this kind of looks like it's making a bottom, and we're gonna make a new break of structure, possibly come up into this fair value gap. Maybe, what does that sound? Maybe have a green day for once. You know what, I'm just gonna put a limit order on. Let's see how that works. We'll do that. The middle of this gap. That's what we'll wait for. Actually, let's measure this 5-minute wick. Ah, come on. Five-minute wick. We're gonna come down to 50% of it. Orders. Modify. Trade from chart. And we're gonna, oh, come on. How do I move my limit order down now? Oh, here it is. I'll check from this chart. There we go. Right there. I'll take that trade. Move some stuff off the chart here. This guy goes like that. Okay. I'm gonna go see my physiotherapist at 7:30, and he got me into trading. We are both terrible traders, but we like to talk about how terrible we are. So we'll see. If I haven't seen him in a long time, actually, so I'm wondering if he's gotten any better, or is he still struggling. So far so good. Coming down into the zone. I'm looking for 50% here of this super long wick. Still holding steady over here on the 5-minute chart. Doesn't look like it wants to come down there. We have a really small gap here. It looks like it wants to turn around already. I've never noticed this down here at the bottom. Actually, here, let me turn this on. I've never noticed this trigger distance before. It's pretty interesting. Man, she wants to get down there. Let's go. Oh, so close. There we go. Okay. We're in. Now we need a profit target. Man, that's a tough one to pick right now. Let's see. $31 stop loss. You know, just to get back to the opening price, or even say this high. Let's do that. I think that would be easy objective. I think we might even be able to watch this one play out. I'm gonna remove those. Well, I'm running out of time here. I need to take my dog for a walk, and we need to put a profit target on here. So we'll do that. We'll take out the highs of the morning and be happy with that. That is if this pans out, this is a banger of an entry, and I can't be more happy with that. That is a ICT concept that I just watched recently, maybe in the last month. He was talking about measuring out, maybe a little bit longer ago, but he was talking about measuring out these super long wicks and expecting 50% of them being traded back into. So there you go. There's the 50%, just a little bit over. So let's see if we turn this around. we measured from the bottom up. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, from the top down. Why won't it show me? There we go. Yeah, between the 50% and 61.8. Uh-oh. There's non-farm payroll right there. A bunch of volatility just came into the market. What's going on? What became a super what looked to be profitable trade is just completely turning around. Man, oh man. Well, I'm just going to close my trade because I was not expecting that. And that's going to be the rest of the today, guys. I hope you have a good one. I'm flying out tonight. I won't be trading for the rest of the week. And small win today. I think I just bailed out before I was going to get taken out, unless we're making a double bottom here. But I got to get ready for work, and that's all she wrote. Take care.